To Orangeville next, where a court today heard from the family of a young girl who was killed on Airport Road back in 2012. They told their stories as the judge considers a sentence for the man who has been convicted of dangerous driving causing death in this case. Mike Walker has more in this report.
Sarah Harding was only 13 years old when she was struck and killed by a speeding car on Airport Road in Caledon 2 years ago. The driver, 22-year-old Michael Malkowski, was traveling 100 kilometers over the limit in a posted 50-kilometer zone.
You're constantly reminded of that day. It never escapes you.
Malkowski was recently convicted of dangerous driving causing death. During today's sentencing hearing, Sarah's parents gave emotional victim impact statements. "I will never heal. I will never be the same. Our family has changed forever," said Sarah's mother, Susan Fisher. "I was grieving so badly my children had to remind me they're still alive. Just getting in the car without Sarah just made me feel sick and sad." The Harding family had just moved into their new house the week before. Sarah was walking along Airport Road with her brother and his friend to buy ice cream when she was struck and killed. Sarah's father told the court, "The memory of that day is thrust into my face each time I pass that spot. Debris scattered all over the road, the sight of her broken body lying on the road. The loss of Sarah has devastated and changed our lives forever, and that can never be fixed." Malkowski also spoke in court today. He faced Sarah's family and repeatedly apologized for causing her death. While reading an apology letter, Malkowski said, "If I could reverse time, I would do everything in my power to prevent this accident from ever happening. Sarah Harding's death still haunts me every night. If I had one wish, I would bring her back without a second thought."
Personally, just wanted to hear that he was sorry. That's what I wanted to hear in the end. And I got that, so that's a little bit of closure in the end.
The defense also presented a number of character references from Malkowski's family, friends, and employers, depicting him as a hard worker, loyal, supportive, and a good driver. With recent statistics released by the OPP highlighting speeding as the leading cause of death on the roads, the Hardings are hoping the sentence will set a precedent.
At least take their driver's licenses for long periods of time, community service.
A serious crime has been committed, and he needs to be accountable.
The Crown is asking for a jail sentence of 18 months, plus to have Malkowski's driver's license suspended for 5 years. The defense, on the other hand, is only asking for 90 days in jail, which would be served on weekends. Malkowski will be sentenced in August. Mike Walker, CTV News, Orangeville.